Operating system MCQ. Example of bug in one program of operating system affects others in option number B is correct. Infinite loop. Next question. Master slave relationship in computer system used by option D is correct. Asymmetric multiprocessor. Next question. Build old clusters of computer system uses open source software. Option D is correct. In non-multi-program system, central processing unit will, option B is correct, perform well. Next, select number two. When a thread needs to wait for an event, it will block. Option is correct. In a pure kernel level thread facility, all of work of thread management is done by the option C is correct, kernel. Microkernel design imposes a uniform, option C is correct, interface. Microkernel architecture facilitates, option B is correct, extensibility. A synchronous 11-chain program can be implemented through threads, option B is correct. Unit of dispatching is usually referred as, option B is correct, thread. A single machine instruction can control simultaneous execution of a number of processing elements on, option is correct, log stack basis. Next, owner of an address space can grant a number of bits. Option B is correct, pages. Microkernel links itself to, option C is correct, distributed system. Microkernel supports flexibility. Option is correct. In many to one multi-threading model, many user level threads are attached to, option C is correct, one kernel thread. Next question. Program involve a variety of activities. Is easy to design and implement using, option D is correct, threads. Multiple threads within some process may be allocated to separate processors. Option C is correct. Lightweight process LWP can be used as a mapping between ULTs and, option is correct, kernel threads. Modular design helps to enhance reliability. Option D is correct. Microkernel is responsible for mapping each virtual, option D is correct, page. Thread processor affinity is a set of processors. Option D is correct. In Unix, thread is runnable. Option is correct. When a process is spawned, a thread for that process is also spawned. Option B is correct. A sequence of data is transmitted to a set of processors. Option D is correct. A set of processors simultaneously execute different instructions on different data set. Option B is correct. A new process is created in Linux by copying the, option D is correct, attributes. Multi-threading refers to ability of an operating system to support multiple execution. Option is correct. A microkernel architecture works well in context of an, option is correct, object-oriented operating system. When a new process is created in Win32, new process inherits many of its parent attributes. Option C is correct. A single processor executes a single instruction stream to operate on data stored in a single memory. Option C is correct. Each window process is represented by an object. Option C is correct. With the microkernel architecture, it is possible to handle hardware interrupts as, option D is correct, message. Process or task in Linux is represented by task structure. Option D is correct. Windows processes are implemented as objectives. Option is correct. Kernel threads are directly supported by operating system. Option C is correct. Motivation for converting interrupts to threads is to reduce, option B is correct, overhead. Process images collection of programs. Option C is correct. Kernel dispatcher keep track of already threads. Option A is correct. The process can map any of its pages into address space of another. Option A is correct, process. In a pure User level thread facility. All of work thread management is done by the option is correct. Application. Process execution is execution of option B is correct paths. Traditionally, computer has been used as a sequential machine. Option B is correct. Port identities and capabilities are maintained by option C is correct. Kernel. Which feature is used to invoke a method on a remote object? Option B is correct. Remote method invocation. RMR. Next, unit 3. CPU fetches the instruction from memory according to the value of program pointer. Option A is correct. Memory buffer is to automate the speed differential is called catchy. Option B is correct. Which one of the following is the address generated by CPU? Option C, logical address. Option C is correct. Runtime mapping from virtual to physical address is done by option E is correct. Memory management unit. Option is correct.